I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Sunburn cream. Some people they will try to convert from chocolate or from bright skin, from chocolate skin to whitening or lightening skin. And some of the chemicals they are using to do the cream, you'll find out that when you start going outside the sun, or if you are stressing yourself much, you start having sunburn under your eye. That sunburn reaction is causes because of the chemicals, some of the harsh chemicals, especially whitening skin. Most of this whitening skin, they are using harsh chemicals to do it. So I want to do the cream for sunburn. Inside here I have my shea butter. You people know what shea butter does. Shea butter did not give you pores, it did not open pores. It will just hydrate your skin. So that's why I'm using shea butter. Then here I have my olive oil. As I used to say, please always Google all these oils. Always Google all these oils I'm using to do my skincare products. Any product I'm doing, I'm using it. My household is using it also. So here I have my olive oil. I'll add 2 spoons of olive oil. You can Google what olive oil does also. So here I have my coconut oil. I'll add 2 spoons also. So I will melt it using double boiling method. My water is on the fire already, so I'm going to melt it now. We are using double boiling method to melt the shea butter and the oil. As you can see, our oil and shea butter have melted. Then we are going to press it. This is a bowl and I have ice block inside. So I'm going to press it on top of this ice block and turning it. So as you can see how our shea butter and the oil have gelled. Then we add aloe vera. We need 7 tablespoons of aloe vera. One. This is fresh aloe vera. I have to blend it myself. Then put it back to the block. Place your bowl back to your block. Start mixing back. Can you see? This is our sunburn cream. We still place it inside our bowl of ice block. Are you seeing the texture we have after adding our aloe vera? So now we are going to add other ingredients. You can Google aloe vera, what it does to the skin, and what I add is not it's fresh aloe vera. I scoop it myself, then I blend it myself. So we have gotten the gel texture we want. So the next ingredient we are going to add is vitamin D3. We add half tablespoon of vitamin D3 powder. Then we are going to add our zinc oxide powder. This is the danger of it. We are adding 2 tablespoons of zinc powder. Then we mix. To add our tea tree oil. Here's our cream. We have to pack it inside our container. And the night after baking, we just apply it in that protected area. In the morning, we wash it off. So when using this, you know the kind of cream you apply on your face. Please, not if you are using it, you still be applying those harsh this thing on your face. Those harsh cream. That is why I will advise when you are using it, get a cream face this thing, face cream. Not after applying it, you can't carry another harmful this thing and put in your face.